Hey guys, I'm Mike.
I'm Twyla.
If you're new to the channel, we are runaway parents. We got an exciting trip planned. A little pre-Christmas trip. Headed to Tishomingo, Oklahoma to the Blue River. Pretty neat river. The city or the state, I guess, they stock it with trout around November, December for people to fish. Really pretty place. So stick around. It's going to be really interesting. I've got something pretty unique I'm doing for power. We'll fill you in on that. I didn't bring a generator. We'll see how that goes. Hi guys, we made it out here to Blue River. This is one of our son's friends named Joe. Say hi, Joe.
What's up?
He's helping us get set up here. We're getting our moon shade set up. These things are pretty awesome. Chopping wood at 12,000 feet in Colorado. Like to kill me, man. But I don't want to show I was weak, you know.
Hey, you cracked it.
We're gonna say we didn't film the other logs that I just hit one time and they split right open.
Yeah.
Camera turns on and I hit him as a dud.
There we go.
It's your turn.
Okay, let's try this.
Grab another log, Joe. It's your turn. Come on, Joe. This young man says he has never split wood in his life. You got this.
Ooh.
Did you hit it with the right side?
Bam. It split it.
He scared it in half.
You got it, Joe. Shoot.
Come on, buddy.
Look like you've been doing that a long time.
This is actually my first time.
Look.
Dang it.
Ah!
You know what you're doing.
I'm gonna get one that's gonna hurt me. Like that one.
You hit it on the
Yeah,
side.
hit it on the side. Yeah, okay. Oh, and then slide down.
Slide that hand back as you go down. It helps you steady. You didn't leave the hand.
Yeah, I did a little bit.
Bunch.
Oh, okay. Okay.
As you're coming down, you just let the hand come back.
I want to be professional by the time this is over.
Oh, Jesus. I didn't know there was a professional way to chop
I
wood.
didn't know either. I just thought people did it.
There you go. You're a professional, Joe. See how easy that is?
I love the way you do it. Show me again how you did that.
He's just going to keep doing that to you, Joe, until it's all cut up. Good job, Bubba. Good job, baby.
Bring me all the wood. I'll do it. I got it.
Let me get you a couple more. You ever stacked wood?
Whatever. You can stack the wood.
After this, have you ever made dinner?
Right?
Oh, that's just beautiful, Joe.
You know why it's so beautiful to him?
'Cause I ain't doing it.
Mm-hmm.
That's going to be the tough one. You see them knots?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, gosh.
Very good.
Whoa.
Didn't make a fool out of you, did it?
Thunderdome. Well, good morning, everybody. Man, we are in our camp spot.
We're in our camp spot.
A little chilly this morning. We had a good storm blow through last night. We had to wake up and run out here and hide stuff, put stuff underneath our moon shade. I tell you, that thing's worked out wonderful. Go check out Moonshade. We are vehicle experts, they call it, with Moonshade. Go on their website, go under vehicle experts. There's a write-up about us with our truck camper and our setup. You can check it out on there. Really love it, man. You can take it. We put it long ways like this, or you can do it the other way and have it almost the length of a camper. Different heights or whatever. It's got the C suction cup. Pretty cool setup.
It's cold and Joe's got on shorts.
I have this nice warm fire to keep me.
Yes, you do. For sure.
Get some good bacon going. We'll take y'all around, show you Blue River, a campsite, and some of the other campsites in the area. Really nice place out here, man. I'm telling you, it's almost like you're in the mountains of Colorado. The water's clear, flowing, and the real good thing about it, it's only like 40 minutes from our house. Kind of like a little hidden gem in Oklahoma. One thing you'll notice though, with a lot of the camps, pretty much everywhere you go, people trash them. They trash them. All right, if you go through and watch our videos, you'll see we were here about, I guess about 8 months ago, 7 months ago.
Yeah, it was in the summer.
Yeah. Very same spot. We got over here and got set up. Really, I think this is the first camp trip we really took in the camper since we completed it. A storm come through, and it rained, and it rained, and it rained. We went back to the exit. This is one way in and one way out on this side of the campsites. We could not get back out. The water was way high. We couldn't make the crossing, low water crossing. We were stuck right here for 5 days. The only people over here for 5 days. Then run out of water. We were bathing with water bottles. We just took the truck off the camper, went around to all the campsites, cleaned up everything, loaded everything up, and then when we were able to cross again, took it all to the dumpsters, made a few trips, kept ourselves occupied. And then that last day, kidney stone hit me. And luckily we could get across because I had to go to ER. Left the camper here, took off the ER, had to go get a procedure to get a kidney stone removed. So that was an eventful trip to say the least. But we are going to get us a little breakfast cooked here this morning. And we'll get back with you. We'll take you around, show you guys around.
How was breakfast?
Got the best cook ever cooking, so. And it's outside.
That makes it all better.
Well,
Sir, how was your breakfast?
Oh, just magnificently wonderful. Every time we cook breakfast out of the campsite, it's like 40% better than it would ever be at home. You could cook the same thing the same way in your kitchen at home, but out here, the atmosphere, I don't know. It just hits different. It's way different.
Yeah, it tastes way better. Agree? He's still eating his bacon. He just cooks it on this Blackstone.
I'm still stuffing my face.
Take you around the site and show you what we're doing for power. Because I did not bring a generator on this trip. First time not having a generator with us. And this is not going to be the Victron solar panel system that I am installing in the camper. I've actually got 3 weeks to get that installed. Because February 12th we're going to be going to Quartzsite for the truck camper rally, and we're going to take off from there. Make probably a 5-week trip, just traveling out west, seeing things. But I do have to go to back to work for my 2 week on 2 week off hitch. This is what I've got going on. I've got the Anker Solex F3800 that we kept in the house, but for power I'm giving it my EG4 LLs. They're 24 volt, 5,120 watt hours each one, my server rack batteries. I've got 2 of them, and I just got a cable connected to them, run to there, and I'll plug in there. Right now I got the panels out, bringing in some power. But that's how we're getting by. It's worked out pretty good so far. I got cables ran out over to my Anker. All right, here we are at some of the campsites. You got a nice pit. There's pit toilets in several locations out here. But these are for your larger campers. Places you can pull in. There's no water, no electricity. It's all primitive camping. Just a place to park your camper at. And all of these spots here you see, there's probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's probably 12 or so spots that you can park your larger campers in, and a nice gravel road to get to them. And it's right here on the little fork off of Blue River. Really nice place. We really like it here. And plus, it's close to home, so that kind of helps out. State, multiple times a year, dump trout out here for people to fish, because trout are not native to this area. Summertime, the hot water kills them. How you doing? People fishing. Oklahoma, y'all. Really cool. Lots of rock formations out here, rock croppings. People tent camping. Really, really nice area. Blue River, Tishomingo, Oklahoma. All right, here we are. We are now at the Hughes Crossing. That's that low water crossing we came in on our way in. And give you a little history on it. Austin and Mamie Hughes homestead, 1920s. The beauty and serenity of the Blue River has long been appreciated by those who have traveled through what is now known as Johnson County, Oklahoma. In 1895, Mamie Cravat and Austin Brittle Hughes were married, and they started a family, and soon thereafter received the benefit of the 1886 congressional law directing Dawes Commission to begin making out rolls of Indian citizens in preparation for land allotments. Being of Chickasaw lineage, the Hughes family was entitled to select 8 allotments. Knowing good land, Britt Hughes selected his allotments along an adjacent to a 6-mile stretch of the Blue River. A few bridges were available in the area to serve the transportation needs of the community, and a natural stream crossing over the Blue River near this location on the Hughes property became a favorite pathway for people traveling between Milburn and Connerville. This natural stream crossing became known as Hughes Crossing. The Hughes family recognized the beauty and natural abundance of fish and wildlife in the area and founded a fishing and hunting camp on the east bank of the river, which also became known as Hughes Crossing. Mr. Hughes charged 50 cents a car per day, $1 a car carrying 4 people, and 4 days of recreation and relaxation. The original allotments were eventually sold in 1950 to a local landowner and later sold to the Oklahoma Department of Wildlife Conservation for establishment of the Blue River Public Fishing and Hunting Area. So there you go. There's a little history on Blue River and what is known as Hughes Crossing right here. Very beautiful, guys. Amazing place. So there's a little taste of Blue River, Oklahoma. If you're ever in the area, check it out. You will enjoy it. Thank y'all for coming along with us on this trip. It has been wonderful. Been enjoyable, huh, baby?
Very.
So y'all stay tuned. Thank y'all for watching, and get a chance. You like what we're doing, like and subscribe.